Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
Today, Grandpa and I are going to be making baked apples. Our friend Janet sent us these handmade apple bowls. And they're special to make baked apples. So we thought since we like to eat baked apples, we thought we'd give these a try. Each one came with directions on how to make the apples. So that was such a nice gift. And it says Scott's Baked Apples. Core the apples, place in the apple baker, put in cinnamon, sugar, and butter, either around or inside the apple, then place in microwave oven for 3 minutes. So that's what Grandpa and I will be doing. We're going to be making these apples, baked apples.
We have a mixture of 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. We have to mix all that together. So this is what we're going to put in the apple.
And now I'm going to be mixing the mixture up. And this is what it looks like. You could smell the nice cinnamon. This smells good. And that should be good. And now you could start coring the apples.
Now I'm going to core the apples.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to core the apples with my apple core, whatever.
It's an apple core.
An apple core.
Yeah.
Put it in the center of the apple and push down. I'm going to push it all the way through. Pull it out. As you can see, the apple has been cored.
How's the bottom look? Okay, that's good.
Now I'll do Grandma's.
Did you get the bottom good? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thank you. And now I'll put the apple in the apple bowl here. Oh, but first, what I'm gonna do, this is what my mother used to do all the time when she baked apples. She used to just cut the top and around and take off some of the skin. So I'm doing the same thing. Usually you leave all the skin on, but this is how she always made it. Her baked apple with part of the skin off. Okay, so that's good enough. So this is how I took some of the skin off the top. Now Grandpa, I gotta get rid of my peels here.
I'm going to peel my apple. I don't want the skin on it.
Grandpa only likes to eat raw apples with the skin. And when you bake the apples, he likes the peels off, all the peels off. Right?
Yes.
I'm going to show you my nice apple placemats. These apple placemats were made for me by my cousin. She did lovely sewing and she used to give me homemade gifts all the time, but it was unfortunate she passed away at age 33. So I take them out every apple season. I take these placemats and use them and think of her. But she made them around 1970s, so they are quite old. But I treasure them, and then she also made the napkins to match. And now we have our mixture here, and then we have our cold butter, and now we're going to put together our apples. And now I'll put some butter. It's cold butter, and I'm going to put it on the top. And you're going to put yours. Here's for your butter, Grandpa. We're going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and we'll be back when they're done. Look how nice the apples came out in the apple baking bowls. They're nice and soft, and they took 3 minutes to cook in the microwave. Thank you, Janet. We really appreciate this gift. Now we have the apples in our serving bowls, and now we're going to try it. Right, Grandpa?
Yes, Ma. Nice and soft.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Got a nice wedge there. Delicious.
Apples are nice and soft and so flavorful with the cinnamon and the brown sugar. What do you think, Grandpa? Nice?
Yes, very nice. Now we had some plain, and it was good. Now we're going to try some with ice cream on top.
Let me finish having my plain one first. Grandpa's got a sweet tooth, so we can't wait to try it with some vanilla ice cream. So here's your ice cream. And now I'm putting it on the side for my ice cream. See how it's going to taste now together. And see, the ice cream's already melting quickly because of the hot apple. This even makes it better.
Yes.
Now with the ice cream, I think I'm going to use a spoon now. So I could scoop up the ice cream better. This is a wonderful dessert.
It really came out good.
And this is great when you don't want to make a whole apple pie. You just bake it like this and you get a similar flavor, right?
Yes. Nice and easy and fast. Putting it in the microwave.
Yeah.
Versus baking an apple in the oven for 30 minutes or something.
I think it's longer than that. It might be 40 minutes.
And we used Gala apples.
Yeah, we like the Gala. We find the Gala apples are best for baking, making the baked apples, right? This was very, very good.